Here we have a 2003 Sea-Doo Xpdi direct injection 951 jet ski. We would start this thing up. We know it runs, but we don't have the key. We can't find the key. So we're going to tear it down and we'll do a compression test on the engine on the bench. Lot number 1327B is in boy. We'll open the hood up.
No key in there.
No key in there. If we happen to find the key, we'll let you know. So I can't give you an exact estimate on how many hours are on it because I can't remember. But the hull is shot. Well, it has a hole in it, so it's not good. If you need parts for a machine like this, give us a call at 218-844-4968 or on the web at martosmotorsports.com. Thanks for stopping by.